What is your name?
My name is John.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise every day.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Do you cook?
Sometimes I cook dinner.
What do you do in the evening?
I read books or watch TV.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Shape of You.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to visit Japan.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite book?
Favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I watch movies often.
Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Tom Hanks.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming.
What is the capital of the USA?
The capital is Washington, D.C.
How many continents are there?
There are 7 continents.
What is the largest ocean?
The Pacific Ocean.
What is the national animal of India?
The tiger.
Which planet is closest to the sun?
Mercury.
What is 2 plus 2?
It is 4.
Who wrote Romeo and Juliet?
William Shakespeare.
What is the fastest land animal?
The cheetah.
How many days are in a week?
7 days.
What is the boiling point of water?
100 degrees Celsius.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not.
Is it raining?
No, it's sunny.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Is your house big?
No, it's small.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you play the guitar?
No, I don't.
Is this your book?
Yes, it is.